Hey guys, I'm Aditya, and today I'm not going to do any circuit or experiment, but I'm going to use this thing what you see on the screen, uh, MIT App Inventor. So I'm going to show you how to build a easy beginners app using the MIT App Inventor. So you have to download the MIT App Inventor. Just go to Chrome and download it. Then you'll get to choose what your project name should be. So I've named mine color app because today we are going to be creating a color app, which means if you click a button, the uh, the specific color will come on the screen. So that's what we are going to make today. For that you need just one more thing, and that is a Android mobile. So you need an Android mobile. You need to okay. So you need to download this app over here called the MI2. MIT AI2 companion on the Play Store. So this is what the app looks like. This is the only screen in the app. So I'll tell you how to use the screen properly. And you also need a laptop, of course. So let's start with uh, making our app. So first, we need to go to this column of called user interface. All this is under the user interface, and this is a mobile screen. Of course, this is where you drop your items to make your app. So first, we need to take a button, drag and drop a button over here. Okay, so if you want to make a really good app, nice app, so then you'd better put up a label. So it doesn't matter if you put a label or not, it's just for making it look good. So make the height of your label 30 to 40 percent, and height make it 100%. But why do we need to do this? That is so that that is because the color will be uh, on this area, on the label area. Now you have to name your label, text for label. So in text for label, you have to write, so you can write whatever you want. I will be writing welcome. Yes. So now after that, let it drag and drop a button. So it depends on how many colors you want. So today I'm going to be doing 3 colors. For 3 colors you will be needing 4 buttons. I'll tell you what is the fourth one for. So name your first button, your first color which you want. I'm gonna name it red. This one is going to be blue. This one is going to be green. And what is the fourth one for, right? So the fourth one is the clear button. So you might know what we need a clear button for, so that we can clear the, if you don't want that color, you want it to be white color again, then you put the clear button. Now we are done with our designing. Now let's go to the blocks part. This is where we are going to program using code blocks. So first we are going to be going to button 1, and you see this block over here called when button 1 click do. You have to select that and put it here. Then you have to go to label 1. Then you have to take this block called set. label one background color too, and put it over here. It fits right here like this. Uh, you hear that sound? I like that sound a lot because it's really satisfying for me. Now, how would you set the color, right, for button 1? We're going to go to colors, and there you go, a lot of colors. Now, I'm going to be going to designer and checking what's the button 1. So, the button 1 is red color. So, I'm going to be pulling out red and put it here. So this is basically telling that if I click button 1, which is red button, then the color will change to red. Now I'll do the same for the others. Go to label. And the next is blue, so I'm going to be taking blue and attaching it here. Now I'm going to take button 3. Go to label 1 back. Go to set label 1. Go to colors. Select green. Now you must be wondering what we do for button 4, which is basically the clear button. It's really simple. You just use a little trick there. It's the same thing which we did right now. Now you go to label. You click, you drag and drop this here. Now you must be wondering what we do. You basically go to colors and take white, because when you clear it basically becomes white, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, so now you're done with your blocks and designer. So now we are going to be uploading it, or that's what you call it. So now I'll tell you what you need the app for on your mobile. So this app MIT AI2 companion is so you have to click build on the laptop and click provide QR code for APK. So when you click this, a QR code is going to come, and then you can scan the QR code using this, and then that's how the app will come to your mobile. So now the QR code is coming. When the QR code comes, I'm going to be clicking on scan QR code. It's taking a while. Okay, now it's 100%. In another 5 to 10 seconds or so, it should come. See, it has come. I'm going to scan the QR code like this. So now I'm going to be downloading it. Install. See, color app is coming here. Install. Okay, it's taking a while again. Now you see over here, so that they can check if there's any virus in the app, you better send it, because if you don't send, there might be a virus, and then Low, a virus is in your mobile. So for me, there's no virus. That's why I'm all clear to go and open. See, this is the same screen we created over there, don't you think? So look at this screen and look at this. This is the exact same, right? Now see what happens when I click red. See this part which I covered with the 30% height and 100% width turns red. Now blue, now green, and now clear. See, it turns white when we turn clear. So now green, blue, red. So you can do this with how many other colors you want. Yeah. So guys, this is how you make um, this is how you make a color a color app using the MIT inventor app inventor. So MIT app inventor, you can create all sorts of apps with this. So you may see there's a lot of stuff, and you might have a doubt in which what's the sensors option, right? I'll tell you now. So you see there are a lot of sensor over here. There are a lot of sensors over here. So you might be seeing there's this IR proximity sensor which we've used before. Magnetic field sensor also which we've used before. So now how would you get the other sensors? For that you have to go to extension and import extension. When you go to Chrome, my guess is this, yes. So you can search in Chrome app inventor extensions, and then it will give you a extension directory, which means all the extensions which have been made yet and which you can add. But then there are options where there are times when you don't have the extensions you need. At that time there is a make extension option. So you can always search in Google Chrome or Google make extension, how to make extension in MIT App Inventor. It'll give you a perfect solution for that. So guys, this is how you make a app, color app to be more specific, using the MIT App Inventor and the MIT AI2 companion. So make sure to like, share and subscribe my video, and see you in the next video guys.